Yes, beta Aksa, unmute yourself.
So, can you please add KB to the class so that he
KB is
could be
also
the
entered.
part of my...
Yes, he is also entered in the
Okay.
class.
KB, have you sent it the PPT to sir?
KB is, let me see. What is the name of your PPT, beta? जो PPT है उसका name क्या है?
The triple V, sir.
उस पे जो name रखा हुआ है ना वो बताएं, जो file का name है.
जी sir. Sir, presentation PPTX.
Presentation PPTX. Let me check it. Topic क्या है आप लोगों का बेटा?
Sir, Elizabethan age.
Okay, let me find it. कि यही है कोई और है? Short story है ये तो, ये किसी और की है. फिर बेटा वो मुझे सेंड दोबारा से करें बिकॉज मेरे पास बहुत सारे आए हुए हैं तो आई एम अनएबल टू फाइंड दैट.
So, can you send you back?
Presentation PPT. Okay, let me find it. Presentation PPT. Okay, got it. Yes, I'm going to share the screen बेटा. उसके बाद you may start your
Okay.
presentation.
Okay, sir.
Go ahead.
Yes. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. This is me, myself, Aksa Abdulaziz Khan, and I am the student of PBSUL. I'm from English department, 11th batch, and today I'm going to present my presentation. Uh, First of all, I would like to say thanks to Sir Abdul Khalik, who has given us the chance, the opportunity, so that we can show our skills, that how far we can talk about. So today, first of all, I want to introduce myself and my presentator, who are also in my group. So first is me, Aksa Abdulaziz, and another one is Jawad Javed, as he's missing somewhere, and the third one is Khuda Bakhsh. So just going to go with my slides. So the next slides of my so Elizabethan age, the start of Elizabethan age was due, 1558 to 1693. Elizabethan age, the historical background of the Elizabethan age, the region of Queen Elizabethan, and is known as Elizabethan age. She was also properly called the Virgin Queen, Glorina, and Good Queen of Baths. In the Age of Revival, Queen Elizabethan was the daughter of King Henry IV and Queen Anne Boleyn. She belongs to dynasty, and Anne Boleyn was executed 2.5 years after Elizabethan and birth. The marriage of Anne Boleyn with King and Report was annulled, and Elizabeth and was declared legitimate after the terrifying reign of her sister Queen Mary succeeded to the throne in 1558. Queen Mary was a Catholic and executed thousands of Protestants during a reign, therefore she was called Bloody Mary. Queen Elizabeth was Protestant. One of the first things that she did as Queen of England was the establishment of an English Protestant crown, of which she became supreme governor. Although everyone expected that Queen Elizabeth would eventually marry the produce in her, but should never marry despite several courtship. One of the biggest, most Queen Elizabeth was, I see but say nothing. She was a very tolerant ruler. She avoided religious prescriptions. England's victory against the Spanish Armada in 1558 is considered one of the great military victories in England. The victory of associated with Queen Elizabeth was made England in superpower. So when we were talking about Elizabethan age, so the Elizabethan age the Tudor period of the history. During the reigns of Queen Elizabethan age, she
Yes, beta.
sorry sir Sir, she contrasts sharply with the previous and following regions. It was a brief period of internal peace between the wars of the Roses, and in the previous century, the the English the English Reformation and the region's battles between Protestants and Catholics period. The Elizabethan region, and there was a later conflict on the English Civil War and the ongoing politician battles between Parliament and the monarchy that include the remainder of the 17th century. The, sir, so sir, KB is now going to say further about this, and he will convey the more story.
Okay, beta.
KB, over to you.
Let me find him.
KB.
Yes, unmute yourself, KB.
Yes, sir. Am I clear?
Yes, you're audible.
Let's start with the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most kind. So today we have a presentation of our Elizabethan age. The historical background was presented by Aksa Aziz. Unfortunately, our one member, Jawad Javed, was unwell. So he had to present political scenarios, but he's unwell and he's not here. So I'm here to give my presentation, and I have the part of literary features of Elizabethan age. So this is Khudabak, a student of BS English, third semester in BBCL. So I start my presentation. So there were so many literary features, but as per my research, I have considered, so I have wrote down these. So the first one is Renaissance or Neoclassicalism. During the Elizabethan period, Renaissance was strongly spread throughout all England. Renaissance is actually a French word which means revival or rebirth, and here it is means as the rebirth of English literature. This period is characterized by revival of classical Greek and Italian literature. And second feature of Elizabethan age was Inkhorn controversy. This passion for classical learning became a danger for Englishmen. Actually, the Inkhorn controversy was based on the involvement of Greek and Latin words in English. So there were two groups in this controversy. One group felt that Greek and Latin words need to be English, but the second group denied. They said no. The involvement of Greeks and Latin words will corrupt the native vernacular of English language. So this led to Inkhorn controversy. The third one is humanism. It is quite clear by the name of humanism. It means humanism is a major and intellectual movement of Renaissance. Humanism is a belief that human values and needs are more important than religious beliefs. Humanists believe human beings have beauty and dignity, and life should be lived on the basis of reasons and humanity. During the Elizabethan age, studies in humanities gained a lot of importance. Humanities include the study of literature, studies of law, study of history. During the Elizabethan age, literacy, the literacy race also increased. So the fourth one is New Romanticism. The Romantic quest during the Elizabethan age was remote, beautiful, and wonderful. There was a strong, daring, and resolute spirit of adventure. It can be seen in the Edmund Spenser's The Faerie Queene. The fifth and the most popular and most demanded literary feature of Elizabethan age was drama. Drama flourished during the Elizabethan age. English tragedy was heavily and highly influenced by the Latin dramatist Seneca. And Gordon was the first English tragedy. It was written by Thomas Norton and Thomas Sackville. The University West's contribution in English drama was highly appreciated. They were a group of young writers associated with Oxford, and Cambridge University. The members of university wits are Christopher Marlowe, John Lilly, George Philae, and 4 others. So if we are talking about the Elizabethan age, so it will be a great injustice so if we leave the god of English literature, mean William the Shakespeare. The most popular playwright of Elizabethan age was William Shakespeare, who wrote 39 great plays, nearly 154 sonnets, and 2 long narrative poems. And the Globe was the most popular theatre of this age. It was built in 1599 by the flying company Lord Chamberlain's men, with whom Shakespeare himself worked. The 6th literary feature of Elizabethan age is poetry. Poetry, compared to drama, the production of poetry was less. However, the Elizabethan age gave us great and original poets like Edmund Spenser, Sir Philip Sidney, who wrote beautiful poems. The last literary features of Elizabethan age is prose. There was a rapid development in English prose in Elizabethan age. Francis Bacon was one of the major English poet writers of this age. His scientific methods led to scientific resolution. His major works are his essays, The Advancement of Learning, other prose writers like Robert Burton and Richard Hooker. So this was our presentation. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much.
Well done, Vita. Excellent. One of the best presentation I have just had through online. Very inspired from your presentation, Kevi. That was such an amazing presentation. And the now let's move forward to the comments. Aksa, your starting was excellent, and second important point which I found in your presentation, which is in your favor, that the way you were giving presentation was excellent, Vita. But you see, you are reading the slides. अगर आप इसको इम्प्रूव करें, आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन का जो स्टाइल है दैट इज अप टू द मार्क, उसमें कोई मसला नहीं है आपके स्टाइल में, आपकी स्टार्टिंग भी बहुत अच्छी थी, बट इन बिटवीन योर प्रेजेंटेशन यू वर जस्ट रीडिंग द स्लाइड्स. So never ever read the slide. It gives always a negative impression on the listeners and on the examiner as well. क्योंकि आपके क्लासमेट्स जो यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं, जो आप स्लाइड हम शेयर कर रहे हैं वो भी सुन रहे हैं, तो दे आल्सो थिंक टू देमसेल्व्स दैट आप एक शॉर्टकट ढूंढ रहे हैं और बस स्लाइड्स को ऊपर ही पढ़ के ही जा रहे हैं. बस स्लाइड्स को पढ़ना ही तो है, और कुछ करो नहीं करो, स्लाइड्स बनाओ, उनको जाके पढ़ो. Your presentation is done. Because Aksa, I was expecting a lot from you, because I just feel that you are one of the active student in your class, and that's why I was expecting a lot. और वो जो मेरी expectations थी वैसी presentation आपने नहीं दी, but overall your presentation was good. But ये जो reading वाला concept है ना मेरा presentation के दौरान, so you see you have to get rid of such concept. Never ever do that. In future, in 4th semester, 5th semester, or in any semester, when you give your presentation, then never read aloud. Okay, you never read material aloud. You have to give your presentation like the KB did. You see, he has just gave the heading, and then for the sake of understanding, he wrote 1 line or 2 lines, which is also known as the general definition of that heading. Okay, and then he explained the rest of material by his own. This is an excellent way to presentation. And KV, your starting was good, and your content was superb. Excellent content you used. I thought that your presentation was very conceptual. More importantly, you were very calm, confident, and you gave presentation in a way that there is no any pressure at all. There is no any anxiety, and that was an excellent presentation. And Gaby, I found that you said that there are 39 plays which are written by William Shakespeare. So let me correct you, because he has not written 39, but actually there are 37 plays which are written by William Shakespeare, and 154 sonnets. Okay, so these are the plays and the sonnets which he has written. Now, Muhammad Adnan Qureshi, it's your turn, because I have been saying to you since the first session that I'm going to give you mic. So now start.
Sir, Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम अदनान.
Sir, shall I start?
पीपीटी मुझे सेंड कर दिया अदनान आपने?
No sir, PPT मैंने नहीं बनवाई है सर, बनाई है.
अच्छा, आप लोगों ने बनाई नहीं है?
No sir, सर लैपटॉप के सर खराब हुआ है, पता नहीं क्या मसला है.
Go ahead without PPT.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. This is Muhammad Adnan Qureshi. Firstly, I just tell you this is the first part of the story, and second part will be summarized by Abdul Jabbar. So, story is The Black Cat, Edgar Allan Poe by Edgar Allan Poe. Firstly, this narrator narrates something like that. Today I am feeling a burden on my shoulder, and tomorrow I'll die. So when narrator was a child, he really likes the cats and the pets. And when he grew up, with the passage of time, he got married, and his woman, his wife also has the similar interest in, and she bought some animals for him, and an extra large black cat, which is horrible, and he really likes the cat. सर मैं बहुत सर नर्वस हो रहा हूँ सर
No need to be, you know, no need to be worried about.
सर मेरी
Just
तैयारी
be
बहुत
relaxed.
अच्छी है लेकिन
Be relaxed and
सर
go
तैयारी
ahead.
नर्वस हो रहा हूँ सर
Just relax हो जाओ बेटा and go ahead.
मैंने लिखा हुआ भी नहीं है ना okay then everything goes wrong. The narrator and alcoholic start getting angry at everyone. He mistreat his wife and their other animals, but never hurts the Pluto. But one night, the narrator comes home drunk and think Pluto is avoiding him. He grabs the cat, who bites him. In retaliation, at the narrator cuts out his eyes from his face, one eyes. After he slip off his drunken state, the narrator is horrified about his action. It is enough to get him to stop drinking, though the cat eyes socket heals. But Pluto and narrator no longer have good relationship. Pluto starts to avoid the narrator all the time. Instead of feeling remorseful, the narrator just feels irritated at the cat's behavior. The narrator hangs the cat cold-blooded from a tree. That night, his house burned down. The narrator, his wife, and their servant all escapes the fire unharmed. But the fire destroys his home and all of the possessions. When the narrator returned to the ash later, he sees the figure of the cat on the only surviving wall. So next part will be explained by Jabbar.
Okay, Jabbar, go ahead बेटा. Let me unmute you. आप बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहे हो. I think you have an internet problem. Go ahead.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम बेटा.
Hello, dear friend. Assalamualaikum. This is my summary part 2 and the cat black. Number so that other person will give me to talk. Mohammed Adran best perform and so sir I will start.
Yes बेटा, go ahead.
The nation says a cat that remarkably is similar to Pluto except that on his chest is a white Pluto. The cat follow him home. It first the narration and like that a cat. But son he is cannot understand. The cat ain't all the exactly after he then noticed that one of its eyes is the missing. The more his had the cat are the more and the cat like him. The narration cannot bring himself to heart. The cat the because he is the fur of it the white shape on its chest morph into the glow. A direct reminder of has a crime against Floto. Eventually, the narration is a drive so mad that he tries to kill the cat with in X. Has a wife intervenes and the narrator and upkill has a wife. He decide to cancel the body inside has a house behind the of well of the basement. The narrator look of the cat, but it is a missing for their night. He sleep he understood by the cat. Then on the fourth day, police come to his house. He asks question about his wife. Dispenses. During their investigation, the narrator reads on the will has rebuilt and to cancel has a wife crops. The
Mhm.
notes of has the knocking a course on the cat which had accidentally because the select inside the will to harm to how the electing at the police to the presence of the narrator wife. Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta Abdul Jabbar, well done. The both presentation of Abdul Jabbar and Muhammad Adnan, your presentation were good, and I can rate them as an average presentation. And because without you also did not make your PPT, but Adnan, you have to make a PPT whether you are Abdul Jabbar, and you have to send it to me within by tomorrow. Okay. कल तक आप भले आराम से पीपीटी को बनाकर मुझे लाजमी सेंड करिएगा बेटा. It is compulsory to send your PPT. Now let's unmute Mariam. Let's बेटा Mariam. Yes बेटा Mariam.
संभल कंटिन्यू करें आप.
नहीं पहले प्रेजेंटर पहले नेम देखो बेटा आपका नाम लिखा हुआ है ना मरियम राव सो दैट्स व्हाई आई थॉट दैट यू वुड बी द फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटर.
मगर सर पहले जो है संभल हमारा इंट्रो करवाएगी,
ओके
देन एक्सप्लेनेशन मैं करूंगी.
ओके लेट मी अनम्यूट सुंबुल. यस बेटा सुंबुल.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Start with the greatest name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Respected teacher and my dear class fellows, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today we are going to discuss the topic with you, and it's about after 20 year O Henry. And there is my group member, Sumbul Noor, Mariam Rao, Laiba Imtiaz, Arzugul, who will share this story with you, sir. And sir, if I talk about the author, so about after 20 years written by O. Henry, and it is a very interesting story full of thrill and suspense. And William Sander Porter, known by his pen name, O. Henry was an American writer. And he is credited for writing over maybe 215 stories that are known for their surprises ending. So this story is a perfect example of this literary technique. And if I talk about the introduction, so this is a short story that focuses on the reunion of two friends. The one is Jimmy and second is Bob. And the incident of this story take places at around maybe 10 p.m. along a dark, windy and New York City business avenue. So it is being with a patrolling cop who discover a man standing in a dark doorway. The man then proceed to explain why he is there. Through the brief encounter, the two explain of them of loyalty, friendship, and trust. Sir, we can see how these two friends meet and much they trusted to each other and that they will be meet. So in my point of view, it is called a true friendship.
Okay बेटा.
Okay, sir. Now it's Mariam turn.
Mariam बेटा unmute yourself.
Mariam, are you listening me?
Yes बेटा Mariam unmute yourself.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Myself, Maryam Muhammad Shoaib. Respected sir and my all classmates, Assalamu alaikum. So, if I talk about explanation, a policeman is seen patrolling. He finds a man standing in dark corridor near the closest door. The man explains the reason for being there. He introduced himself that he is Bob and he is waiting for his friend Jimmy Bell. The cop finds himself interested in the story and asks if they stay in touch during that time. Bob was confident that his friend Jimmy will meet him as promised because he was reliable, and the cop noticed the jewel and the watch the man is wearing
assumed that he was very successful man. Bob confirmed that, so the cop leaves and hopes that Jimmy show up. The man tells that he would wait for another half an hour because he said Jimmy would surely come. It rained heavily, but the man left. So the story is about the two characters that were actually best of friends. They grew up in New York until lost sight of each other. One of them left the place entirely to live in West to make easy money. Thus, he ended up being a criminal in Chicago, while the other man felt that his hometown is better. He is ending up a policeman. The two friends made a promise that after 20 years, both of them meet again at that same restaurant for the purpose of no each achievement that they have done after 2 years. The story began at the specific place of their opium days and time. It is nearly 10 o'clock at night and really dark out there. A policeman making his rounds, rating door knob to make sure everything is secure on his beat. In the doorway of the hardware store that is closed, he come across a man who has until cigar in his mouth. Before the officer can begin to question him, the man assures him that he is not a burglar there, he is merely waiting for a friend. He goes on to light his cigar and tell the officer why he had his friend and are meeting at such a dark and desolate place. The man who is Bob told him that he was waiting for a friend he is not seen for 20 years. Before uh, before he and his friend had agreed to meet at the very spot discuss how their life had turned out. The man kept on telling to the policeman how his life turned out good that he actually became rich and successful. Talking about his best friend, he told the policeman that Jimmy will never fail to appear in their agreement for he is a 20 minutes after the policeman left, another man ran to
Okay,
greet
the
his
next one
friend
is
Bob,
Laiba.
who of them cheered and made themselves comfortable with each other. As to enable the gap of their 20 shortly as they approached the front door of the drug store, Bob realized that this man is not his old friend Jimmy, as his nose looks completely different. After the comfortable scenario, it turned out that the man has just written to Jimmy and that Bob has under arrest for 10 minutes. The man then given a note to Bob explaining that the first patrolman had been Jimmy and that he won't arrest used to hit that not have any neighbor to arrest his old friend so he had left before he could be regained and found plainclothes officer to arrest him. That's my that's it. Please Laiba continue.
Okay. Laiba. Yes, better Laiba, unmute yourself. Yes, better Laiba.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Laiba. As Mariam told you in the above heading, one man who is waiting for his friend 1.5 hours because he believes that friend will surely come now. After 20 minutes, what we see? Another tall man was appear having wearing a long coat. He asks if the man, his name is Bob. The man confirmed excitedly that yes, he is Bob and further asks if is Jimmy well. He is, another man says. And then the man was so excited to meet his friend. Both of them shake their hands, and then Jimmy expressed a wish that the old restaurant was still there so they could have one more dinner in it, and then asks if Bob's style out west was good to him. Bob shows him that it has been. He says that it was working very good in the west. After they both of them, hand in hand, arm in arm, talk to each other about their lives, talking, they move, walk, and reach to a corner and stand under a street light. On that time, they seen their faces. Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta. Now, Kainat, please unmute yourself, beta. Okay. Yes, beta, Kainat, unmute yourself.
सर इट्स आरजू 10
Yes, beta.
सर अभी आरजू की टर्न है
Acha, Arzu. Beta, we have only 8 minutes remaining in this session. Yes, Arzu, beta. Wind it up 3 minutes, Arzu, beta.
Am I audible to you, sir?
Yes, beta, you are.
So it's me, Arzul, and I'm gonna further explain the story. So under the street light, Bob was able to see the tall man's face. He recognized him and immediately pulls himself away and declares that the other man isn't Jimmy Wells because he didn't resemble to him. The man accepted it and said that yes, he wasn't Jimmy Wells, and then further tells Bob that he has been under arrest from the last 10 minutes as he is a wanted criminal. He tells Bob that Chicago police contacted the New York cops and told them to watch out for him. Then he further asked Bob if he would come quietly. Bob had no other choice, so he had to surrender himself. After some time, the man hands him over a note from a policeman named Jimmy Wells. The note tells him that Jimmy came to their meeting, but he didn't wish to arrest him by himself. That's why he sent another officer to do it.
Okay. You are done, beta? Oh, okay, Kainat, beta, unmute yourself.
Assalamu alaikum sir, my name is Kana Sheikh. Here I am explaining the conclusion of the story. So and there is a suspense कि after 20 years वो दोनों दोस्त अपने promise पे promise जो उन्होंने किया था उस पर मिलने आए थे या नहीं. तो जो बॉब था वो एक क्रिमिनल था. तो जब वो स्टार्ट में एक पुलिस वाले से मिला था तो वो पुलिस वाला जो था वो जिमी था. उसने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं दिया था क्योंकि उसने बॉब का जो है जब उसने अपना सिगरेट जलाया था तो उसने उसका चेहरा देख लिया था. दैट्स वाई उसने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं करवाया था. उसे पता था कि ये मेरा दोस्त बॉब ही है. वो वहां से चला गया और अपनी जगह एक दूसरे पुलिस वाले को वहां भेज दिया था. और क्योंकि वो एक क्रिमिनल था, शिकागो पुलिस जो थी वो उसे बहुत ज़्यादा ढूंढ रही थी. तो उसने अपनी वहाँ पर जो है लॉयल्टी दिखाई अपनी जॉब के लिए भी और अपनी फ्रेंडशिप के लिए. अगर उसने खुद उसे अरेस्ट नहीं करवाया था और उसने अपनी जगह दूसरे पुलिस वाले को भेज दिया कि आप इन्हें अरेस्ट कर लें. तो इसमें इस स्टोरी में हमें लेसन भी मिलता है लॉयल्टी का, ट्रस्ट का, कि उन्हें एक दूसरे पे इतना ट्रस्ट था कि वो 20 इयर्स के बाद भी उसी सेम जगह पर आए और उसी सेम जगह पे आए, उसी टाइम पर एक दूसरे से मिलने आए थे कि और लॉयल्टी का और फ्रेंडशिप इतनी गहरी थी कि वो उसी जगह पर दोबारा 20 साल बाद भी मिलने आए. तो ये हमें इस स्टोरी से जो है वो मिलता है. थैंक यू. होप यू फाउंड अवर प्रेजेंटेशन टॉपिक एंड मटेरियल इंटरेस्टिंग.
Okay, beta, well done. Sumbul, beta, your presentation was excellent. Your starting was excellent, and you have, believe me, you have excellent skills of excellent presentation skills. So, आप अपने presentation skills के ऊपर थोड़ी सी मेहनत करेंगे तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा और भी बेटर हो सकते हैं. There is a lot of room to get improvement. So overall your presentation was excellent. I liked it a lot. Then Mariam, your presentation was quite lengthy. आपने तकरीबन 8 मिनट के लगभग स्पीकिंग की है. It was very lengthy. You did not manage time well. Like after you, Laiba, Arzu, Kainat, they just spoke less than 5 minutes. उन्होंने 5 मिनट से कम बोला है और you spoke around 8 to 9 minutes. So you see, you need to manage your time better, Mariam. And more importantly, Mariam, your presentation was passive, like tone and voice of yo was not, very much high. वो बहुत इतना स्लो आवाज में आप बोल रही थी. Even though your voice was clear, but you see, जब आप when you give your presentation, there must be some kind of energy in it. उसमें कोई एनर्जी होनी चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं है कि बंदा इतना स्लोली वो बीमारों की तरह जब प्रेजेंटेशन देता है, सो इट्स गिव इन नेगेटिव इम्प्रेशन. तो उससे बेटा क्या होता है कि नेगेटिव इम्प्रेशन पड़ता है हमारी प्रेजेंटेशन के. मैं इसीलिए बता रहा हूँ ताकि इन फ्यूचर अगर आप कभी प्रेजेंटेशन दें तो उसमें आप थोड़ी सी एनर्जी लगाकर और आप अच्छे से अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकती हैं. देयर इज a lot of room to get improvement. So आप उसको थोड़ा सा improve करके और बहुत better performance आप कर सकती हैं. Then Laiba, Arzu, your both presentations आपने बहुत ज़्यादा brief कर दिया. इतना ज़्यादा brief नहीं होना चाहिए था, लेकिन you guys did it very briefly. Next time जब आप करें तो बेटा make sure कि at least you could speak for like I asked Arzu to make it brief. Arzu को तो मैंने खुद कहा कि आप 3 मिनट्स के अंदर वाइंड अप कर दें, लेकिन you see, we need to manage your time. Apart from that, your presentation was good, and you were just the way you explained the things, explain the story one by one, that was excellent. That was very coherent, and there was a connection as well. So वो connection भी lost नहीं किया आप लोगों ने. And then finally Kainat Sheikh, your starting was outstanding, and the way you were giving your presentation, that was also very good. And I felt conceptually your presentation was good, your concepts were also good, but you need to put some English as well. आप सिर्फ उर्दू में दे रही थी, तो अगर थोड़ा उसको इंग्लिश में भी आप करेंगी इन फ्यूचर, तो वो और भी अट्रैक्टिव बना देगा आपके प्रेजेंटेशन को. सो विश वेरी वेरी बेस्ट ऑफ लक बेटा. और ये सेशन भी एक्सपायर हो रहा है विद इन 1 मिनट. तो नाउ अभी के लिए ये 3 सेशन हमने लिए और 3 सेशन में मैंने प्रेजेंटेशंस लिए हैं. नाउ दोज स्टूडेंट्स हु आर रिमाइनिंग, बेटा those students who are remaining, they have to give their presentation at 4 PM today. कल जो मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन दिए थे उसमें मैंने अनाउंस किया था कि आज सुबह में प्रेजेंटेशन लूंगा, फिर रात को देर से भी मैंने मैसेज किया था, लेकिन अभी भी मैं बता रहा हूँ कि आई विल टेक प्रेजेंटेशन एट 4 PM. जो लोग रिमेनिंग है वो 4 PM पे दे दें, और जो लोग नहीं देंगे तो इट दैट मीन्स कि दे विल लूज देयर 10 मार्क्स, उनके 10 मार्क्स चले जाएंगे. सो convey this message to all. Okay beta, if you have any question or any query, please ask me. Yes beta, do you want to ask anything? Yes beta, Kainat, Laiba, you're welcome. Sumbul, unmuted myself. Thank you so much, sir. Sumbul, do you want me to unmute you beta? But overall आप लोगों का प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत अच्छा था बेटा. सो बस जहाँ पर थोड़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट की जरूरत है वहाँ पर थोड़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट करके नेक्स्ट टाइम आप और भी अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं आप सब. सी बेटा, आई थिंक देयर इज नो एनी क्वेश्चन. अच्छा पहले कहा था. ओके, नाउ मूव फॉरवर्ड बेटा. अल्लाह हाफिज, अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें, और आज शाम 4 बजे दोबारा जो रहते हैं स्टूडेंट्स उनके प्रेजेंटेशन लेंगे. सो बाय फॉर नाउ. अल्लाह हाफिज, सी यू.